Every single day, your family uses thousands of gallons of water for drinking, cooking, showering, and cleaning. But here's the alarming truth, that tap water flowing through your pipes right now could contain chlorine, heavy metals, sediment, and countless chemicals you can't even see. With municipal water treatment facilities aging across America and well water facing contamination risks, protecting your home's water supply has never been more critical. Today, I'm breaking down the 6 best whole home water filtration systems for 2026, covering everything from budget-friendly cartridge filters to premium tank systems that last a decade. All product links are in the description below. Whether you're spending $500 or $2,000, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which system matches your home's needs and your budget. Let's get started. Starting our list at number 6 is the Homemaster HMF3SDG FEC, specifically engineered for well-water households dealing with iron problems. Massive filter housings with genuine 1-inch ports maintain pressure at up to 15 gallons per minute. The 3-stage setup tackles well water challenges head-on. Stage 1 uses a multi-gradient sediment filter with 4 density layers, starting at 25 microns and going down to 1 micron. This captures everything from sand to microscopic particles. Stage 2 features a radial flow iron filter reducing iron, manganese, and hydrogen sulfide up to 3 parts per million combined. Stage 3 uses coconut shell carbon to eliminate chemicals, pesticides, and sulfur smell. Testing shows 95% removal of sediment, chemicals, and iron. Filters last 12 months for a family of 4. The carbon filter handles 100,000 gallons. At around $600, it's the affordable cartridge option for well water. The trade-off? Annual filter changes mean more maintenance than tank systems. Installation requires basic plumbing knowledge. You'll need 27 inches height and 24 inches width for mounting. But for well-water homeowners facing iron issues without spending over $1,000 up front, this hits the sweet spot. Moving to number 5, the Ispring WGB32B is a straightforward, wallet-friendly solution for city water. This system has earned 98% positive reviews since mid-2025, for good reason. 3 stages handle filtration. Stage 1 contains a 5-micron polypropylene sediment filter, capturing dirt, rust, and sand. Stages 2 and 3 both use CTO carbon block filters from coconut shell carbon. These dual carbon stages eliminate up to 99% of chlorine, plus sediment, herbicides, pesticides, and VOCs. Third-party testing confirms NSF/ANSI standards compliance. Each stage handles 100,000 gallons, 1 year for a family of 4. Flow rates reach 15 GPM with minimal pressure drop. Installation is DIY friendly with 1-inch NPT connections. Pricing sits around $400 to $500. But here's the crucial limitation. This does not remove total dissolved solids or hardness. Minerals remain in your water. You'll still see scale buildup with hard water. Maintenance means replacing all 3 cartridges annually. Compared to tank systems lasting 5 to 10 years between changes, this creates higher long-term costs. But for municipal water homes wanting immediate chlorine relief without massive upfront investment, the Ispring WGB32B deserves serious consideration. At number 4, the Pentair PC600 brings premium stainless steel construction, not just appearance, but genuine durability cheaper systems can't match. The PC600 uses catalytic coconut shell carbon media with 8 gallons per minute flow, perfect for 1 to 3 bathroom homes. That's lower than some competitors, but brings exceptional contaminant reduction. IAPM OR&T certified to NSF/ANSI, standard 42 for 97% chlorine removal, plus NSF/ANSI 61 for material safety. Bacteriostatic media prevents bacterial growth inside. Capacity reaches 650,885 gallons over 5 years. For maintenance, you replace carbon media inside the tank, not the entire unit. The sediment pre-filter needs replacement every 6 to 12 months. Expert testing confirms impressive chlorine removal throughout the media's lifespan. Why? The stainless steel exterior protects the tank from damage and ensures decades of service. Pricing runs $1,200 to $1,400, a premium mid-range option. You're paying extra for stainless steel and NSF certifications. For homeowners wanting verified performance with certifications backing the claims, who value durability over saving hundreds, the Pentair PC600 represents excellent long-term value. At number 3 is the Aquasana Rhino EQ1000, featuring patented clarium technology reducing 78 contaminants, 15 times more than standard pitcher filters. The unique dual-tank upflow design increases contact time between water and media, preventing clogging issues. The Rhino combines activated carbon and copper zinc KDF media. Carbon handles 97% chlorine removal, NSF/ANSI standard 42 tested, while KDF inhibits bacteria and algae growth. The dual tank configuration with improved divider valve enables fast flow with zero pressure drop, crucial for multiple bathrooms running simultaneously. Capacity reaches 1 million gallons or 10 years. Pre- and post filters need replacement every 2 months, but main tanks last the entire decade. No electricity, drain lines, or backflushing required. Tank changes after 10 years are quick and simple. Testing confirms effective chlorine reduction while retaining beneficial minerals. The WQA certified tanks use food-grade high-density tri-extruded material for strength. At approximately $1,000, the Rhino sits competitively, but includes comprehensive installation hardware. The assembly kit contains everything for 3/4 inch or 1 inch lines, Schedule 80 PVC components, drain valve, shutoff valve, tank connections, and filters with housings. The downside? Pre- and post filters needing replacement every 2 months create ongoing maintenance. However, for city water homes wanting decade-long main filtration with proven reduction across 78 substances, the Aquasana Rhino delivers genuine performance. Taking number 2 is the Softpro Whole House Upflow Carbon Filter, the champion for budget-conscious buyers refusing to compromise on quality. This proves you don't need $2,000 for tank-based filtration. Softpro uses catalytic coconut shell carbon media in upflow design, filtering 600,000 to 1 million gallons over 5 years. The upflow configuration prevents channeling and ensures maximum contact time for superior performance. Included, KDF sponge using oxidation reduction to remove heavy metals, plus 5-micron sediment pre-filter. The system comes with upflow valve, threaded connections, filter media, and tank. For DIY homeowners, installation is straightforward. Tank durability matches systems costing hundreds more. Real-world performance shows effective chlorine removal, chemical reduction, and sediment filtration without premium pricing. The 5-year media lifespan means minimal maintenance. Just replace the sediment pre-filter periodically. Pricing is where Softpro truly shines. Base system costs around $850. Upgraded models for larger homes stay under $1,000. That's hundreds less than Springwell or Pentair, while maintaining similar capabilities and build quality. The compromise? You won't get extensive certifications or lifetime warranty that premium brands offer, but for small to medium households wanting long-lasting, low-maintenance carbon filtration on budget, Softpro delivers exceptional value. It's tank-based performance at cartridge system prices. The number 1 whole home filtration system for 2026, the Springwell CF1. After extensive independent lab testing and real-world use, this consistently outperforms everything else for city water. What separates the CF1? Its 4-stage process using both catalytic carbon and KDF media, a combination single media systems can't match. This dual media approach removes chlorine, chloramine, PFOS, PFOA, VOCs, heavy metals, and disinfection byproducts. That's crucial because many municipal systems are switching to chloramine, which standard carbon struggles with. Third-party tap score testing demonstrates real-world performance. One verified test showed trihalomethanes dropping from 31.8 parts per billion to non-detect, 100% reduction. Lead decreased 96%. Nickel and cobalt completely eliminated. These are independent lab results after years of use, not manufacturer claims. 3 size options exist. CF 1 for 1 to 3 bathrooms at 9, GPM CF4 for 4 to 6 bathrooms at 12, GPM CF Plus for 7+ bathrooms at 20 gallons per minute. Users report zero pressure drop even after 3 years. The sediment pre-filter needs replacement every 6 to 9 months. Main media lasts up to 1 million gallons or 10 years. Springwell's proprietary upflow design maximizes contact time, even during low flow, while eliminating channeling issues. No electricity or backflushing required. Installation can be DIY or professionally handled in 2 hours. The warranty is unmatched, lifetime warranty plus 6-month money-back guarantee. Most competitors offer 1 to 3 years and 60 to 90 days. Springwell backs this with responsive service. Pricing starts just over $1,000 for the CF1, competitive against Aquasana and Pentair while delivering superior contaminant removal and longer warranties. Yes, initial cost beats cartridge systems, but cost per gallon over 10 years makes tank systems significantly cheaper. The limitations? Doesn't treat hard water, filter fluoride, or remove microbes. Designed for municipal supplies, not wells. If you have well water or need fluoride removal, you'll need different equipment. For 90% of American homes on city water wanting the absolute best whole house filtration with verified performance, decade-long lifespan, and industry-leading warranty, the Springwell CF1 is the definitive choice for 2026. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Are you currently using city water or well water? And what's your biggest water quality complaint right now? Drop your answer in the comments below. Your experience might help other viewers choose the right system. So there you have it, the 6 best whole home water filtration systems for 2026. We've covered options from $600 to $2,000, cartridge systems to tank systems, and solutions for both city and well water. Remember, the best system isn't always the most expensive one. It's the one that matches your specific water source, contaminant concerns, and budget reality. If you're on city water and want decade-long protection with verified lab results, the Springwell CF1 takes the crown. For well water with iron issues, the Homemaster gets you started. For tight budgets, the Ispring WGB32B or Softpro work perfectly. All product links with current pricing are waiting in the description. Thanks for watching, and here's to cleaner, safer water for your entire family.